Welcome to Hostel Tour of Geomedi University.
Hey, if I said need you, baby, would you come running to me? You know I'm dreaming of you, baby boy, stuck in my sleep. But I'm just trying to get you back, so don't go running away. Playing these games, cause I'm not trying to play. So I guess we can make a deal. Tell me how you feel, baby, tell me what you want. You know I can make it real.
So this is basically a house that is converted into an hostel. Let me show you around. So this is the entrance of this hostel. As you enter inside, we have the reception area, which is most of the time empty because we are not as important to take care of, or we are just too old for someone to watch. As you go inside, on my right and your left, we have this chill area where we have couches where students come and drink coffee and chill out. As you further go in, we have this dining area because most of the students in this hostel eats the mess food. The mess food comes to this place at 1 o'clock in the afternoon and 7 in the evening. And for those people who does not want to eat the mess food, we have this small kitchen. This kitchen is not so spacious, but no one really cooks here. Then as you try to go upstairs, we have these really scary stairs where you definitely cannot run. You cannot run on these stairs because at this end it is so narrow that even if your foot falls off like this, as you come up, we have this small hallway and 3 rooms. This one, and this one. I happen to be living on the first room. Let me show you inside. So as you come in my room, wait. Let me show you something. This is very interesting. This door opens only with the key. I know all the doors open with the key, but this is the special one. All the other doors are unlocked with the key, but this door opens with a key. Let me show you how. This handle here is useless. First, you put the key in, and then you rotate, and this is how the door opens from inside and outside. So, if you lose the key, you cannot go in, or someone from inside cannot go out. As you come in, on the left side we have this huge mirror, which is always here to remind me of how ugly I am. On the opposite end, we have another door which opens into the washroom. There is 2 special things about this washroom. First of all, this washroom is wet all the time, 24/7. There are 2 reasons. The first reason is the dedicated shower area does not have a door. So whenever you are taking a bath, you can imagine. And the second reason is this. Did you see? This is also leaking 24/7. This allows my bathroom to always be wet. People coming to hostels should think about this. As you further go inside this room, we have this big closet in which we keep all the stuff, including clothes, utensils and groceries. Because if we leave groceries in the kitchen, there is no guarantee that it is going to stay there. This is hostel, people. We have this small portion to keep the everyday usage things. We have this bed in which we have 2 different mattresses. I don't know why, because this bed is as a whole, but mattresses we have 2 different. I think it's just to make me realize of how alone I am. Right now I am living here alone, but my roommate is coming soon. He doesn't have his visa yet, but he is going to stay here with me. I chose this end of the bed because the light switch is at the door. So every time when we have to turn off the light, I wouldn't have to get up and he will get up. So it's easier for the guy on this side to go and turn off the lights. Sorry Aditya. On the both ends we have the small drawers to put all the miscellaneous things. So this is my workspace, which is very spacious as you can see, and it has a really good view on the outside, which is a tree. As I told in one of my previous videos that as I keep moving places due to some reason, my desk never really stays the same. So if you remember from this video, I told
I wonder how long this is going to last.
so this desk is the third desk after that desk. The second desk was this one in Toronto, and here we are once again. After then we have this balcony, which does not have the most beautiful view, but it gets you the fresh air. What more can you expect out of a hostel, guys?